Romazicon, Flumazenil, detailed drug study. Number 1, generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name, Flumazenil, brand name, Romazicon. Drug class, benzodiazepine antagonist, antidote for benzodiazepine toxicity, central nervous system stimulant, reversal agent. Drug forms, sterile intravenous IV injection solution, strength commonly available, 0.1 milligram milliliter. Packaging, single dose or multi-dose vials for hospital use. Number 2, definition Romazicon, Flumazenil, is a specific benzodiazepine receptor antagonist used to reverse the sedative, hypnotic, and respiratory depressant effects of benzodiazepines. It is mainly used in hospital and emergency settings to reverse benzodiazepine overdose, reverse sedation after anesthesia, diagnose benzodiazepine intoxication. Unlike benzodiazepines, it does not produce sedation, but instead blocks their effects. Number 3, mechanism of action. Flumazenil works by interacting with the GABA benzodiazepine receptor complex in the brain. Steps of action. 1. Benzodiazepines enhance the activity of GABA, gamma-aminobutyric acid, the main inhibitory neurotransmitter in the CNS. 2. This produces sedation, muscle relaxation, anticonvulsant effects, hypnosis. 3. Flumazenil competitively binds to the benzodiazepine binding site on the GABA-A receptor. 4. It blocks benzodiazepine binding and reverses their CNS depressant effects. Result: restores consciousness, improves respiratory drive, reverses sedation and psychomotor impairment. It does not reverse effects of other sedatives such as opioids or barbiturates. Number 4. Pharmacokinetics. Absorption. Given only intravenously, rapid onset within 1 to 2 minutes. Distribution. Rapidly distributed throughout body tissues. Protein binding, 50% metabolism, metabolized in the liver, undergoes hepatic metabolism. Half-life, approximately 40 to 80 minutes. Excretion, mainly excreted in urine as inactive metabolites. Duration of action, 30 to 60 minutes. Because benzodiazepines often last longer than Flumazenil, sedation may reappear. Number 5, uses. Romazicon is used in several clinical situations. 1. Benzodiazepine overdose, used as an antidote to reverse sedation and respiratory depression. 2. Reversal of sedation, after procedures using benzodiazepines such as endoscopy, minor surgeries, diagnostic procedures. 3. Diagnostic use, to determine whether coma or sedation is caused by benzodiazepines. 4. Intensive care unit ICU, to reverse prolonged benzodiazepine sedation. Number 6, indications. Romazicon is indicated for reversal of benzodiazepine-induced sedation, management of benzodiazepine overdose, reversal of postoperative sedation, restoration of mental alertness, diagnostic evaluation of unconscious patients. Number 7, contraindications. Romazicon should not be used in patients with 1. Hypersensitivity to Flumazenil, 2. Chronic benzodiazepine dependence, 3. Seizure disorders treated with benzodiazepines, 4. Mixed overdose involving tricyclic antidepressants, 5. Patients with increased intracranial pressure, 6. Patients receiving benzodiazepines for life-threatening conditions. Reason: Flumazenil may trigger severe withdrawal seizures. Number 8. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Healthcare providers should assess medical history, history of seizures, liver disease, drug dependence, alcohol abuse, head injury. Special populations, elderly, increased sensitivity, lower dose may be required. Pregnancy, used only if benefits outweigh risks. Breastfeeding, used cautiously. Monitoring, patients must be monitored for respiratory function, consciousness level, blood pressure, recurrence of sedation. Number 9, how to use Romazicon is administered, only in hospital settings, by trained healthcare professionals. Administration method 1, given as slow IV injection. 2, patient should be continuously monitored. 3. Oxygen and resuscitation equipment must be available. Number 10. Dosing information. Adult dosage. Initial dose, 0.2 milligrams IV over 15 seconds. If patient remains sedated, give 0.2 milligrams every 60 seconds. Maximum dose, 1 milligrams for sedation reversal, up to 3 milligrams for overdose cases. Pediatric dosage, children 1 year, 0.01 milligrams per kilogram IV. Maximum single dose, 0.2 milligrams, may repeat if necessary. Number 11. Missed dose and overdose. Missed dose, not applicable because Romazicon is used in emergency or hospital settings. Overdose symptoms may include agitation, anxiety, seizures, irregular heartbeat, rapid breathing. Management, supportive care, monitoring vital signs, seizure control. Number 12. Stop or avoid taking Romazicon should be stopped if seizures occur, severe anxiety develops, benzodiazepine withdrawal symptoms appear, hypersensitivity reactions occur. Avoid use in long-term benzodiazepine users. Number 13. Side effects. Common side effects: headache, nausea, vomiting, dizziness, sweating, anxiety. Moderate side effects: tremors, emotional instability, blurred vision. Serious side effects: seizures, panic attacks, cardiac arrhythmias, respiratory distress. Number 14. Vital information. During treatment monitor, blood pressure, heart rate, respiratory rate, oxygen saturation, level of consciousness, Glasgow Coma Scale. Continuous monitoring is important because sedation may recur. Number 15. Other drugs that will affect Romazicon drug interactions include benzodiazepines, diazepam, lorazepam, midazolam; antidepressants, tricyclic antidepressants, risk of seizures; CNS depressants, alcohol, barbiturates, opioids. These may reduce effectiveness or increase adverse effects. Number 16. Drug comparison feature Romazicon, Flumazenil, benzodiazepines. Drug type: antagonist, sedative. Action: reverses benzodiazepine effects, enhances GABA activity. Clinical use: antidote, anxiety, seizures, sedation. CNS effect: stimulates CNS, depresses CNS. Duration: short, longer. Number 17. Patient teaching. Patient teaching is important because this medicine rapidly reverses the effects of benzodiazepines, and patients must be monitored carefully after receiving it. 1. Explain the purpose of the drug. Inform the patient that Romazicon is used to reverse the sedative effects of benzodiazepine medicines. It helps the patient wake up and breathe normally after sedation or overdose. 2. Hospital monitoring is required. The patient will be closely monitored by healthcare professionals. Vital signs such as blood pressure, heart rate, breathing, level of consciousness will be checked regularly. 3. Possibility of sedation returning. Explain that the effects of Romazicon may wear off before the benzodiazepine leaves the body. Because of this, drowsiness or sedation may return. Patients may need additional doses or observation. 4. Avoid driving or operating machinery. Patients should not drive, operate heavy machines, or perform risky activities for at least 24 hours. Coordination and alertness may still be affected. 5. Inform healthcare provider about medical history. Patients should tell the doctor if they have history of seizures, long-term benzodiazepine use, drug or alcohol dependence, liver disease, head injury. This helps prevent complications such as withdrawal seizures. Tab 6. Report any unusual symptoms immediately. Patients should inform the nurse or doctor if they experience anxiety or panic, tremors or shaking, severe dizziness, chest pain, fast or irregular heartbeat, seizures. These may indicate serious side effects. 7. Avoid alcohol and sedative drugs. Do not take alcohol or other sedative medicines unless approved by the doctor. These substances can interfere with recovery and increase sedation. 8. Rest after the procedure. Patients should rest until they are fully alert. A responsible adult should accompany them home if the drug was used after a procedure. 9. Follow-up care. Follow any post-procedure instructions given by healthcare providers. Return to the hospital if severe drowsiness, confusion, or breathing problems occur. Simple summary for patients. Romazicon helps reverse sedation caused by benzodiazepines, but patients must be carefully monitored because the sedation may return and some side effects may occur. Thank you. Have a nice day.